This video tutorial will provide you with a demonstration as to how to add courses to your schedule via the drop add system on Hokie Spa. The first thing you need to do is to log into Hokie Spa with your PID and your password. If you have not yet enrolled in two-factor authentication, you will have to do so. Next, click on the Hokie Spa link at the right of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Registration, Add Drop, and Schedule link. Click on this link to access the system where you can change your schedule. To access the system, click on the Drop Add Register for Classes link. From the drop-down menu on the screen, select for which term you wish to register. It is important to note the dates when drop add is open. You can only change your schedule with this system during this time frame. The University Registrar's website contains the dates for drop add for each semester. Click on the Continue link to proceed. To search for classes within a specific department, select the department from the drop-down menu in the Subject or Prefix field. This will allow you to see all classes that are being offered by the department for a specific term. You can refine the results by entering more information on this screen. For example, if you know the course number, you can enter it and the results will only show those sections of the class. Click on the search link to display the results. For instance, if you are searching for a biology class, select Biological Sciences from the drop-down menu and click Search. Here, you will see the results from your search. You can conduct another search by clicking on the Search Again link at the top right of the screen. After you browse the course listings and find a course you want to add, click on the Add button to the right of the course title. Be sure to check the course requirements and course status before attempting to add a course. If there are no available seats, you will not be able to add the course. After you click on Add, the course will be pending on your schedule. Note that this has not been officially added to your schedule at this stage. For instance, I will add Cancer Biology to the schedule. Be sure to click the Add link in the correct column. This is what your screen should look like after you click on the Add button. Notice how the status of the course is shown in the grayed out box that says Pending. To officially add the course, click on the Submit button. You must click on the Submit button for the course to be added to your schedule. If you do not click on Submit, the course will not be added to your schedule. After you click on the Submit button, and if all requirements are successfully met, then the course status will change from Pending to Registered. On your schedule panel at the bottom of the screen, the course should now appear in color instead of being grayed out for traditional face-to-face courses. Note that virtual courses do not show up on the weekly calendar. Notice how Cancer Biology is now added to the schedule. If you click on Submit and receive errors, there are a few things that could be happening. Be sure to check the prerequisites for the course. If you have not met these requirements, the course cannot be added to your schedule. Also check to see if you have another course on your schedule that is being offered at the same time as the one you are trying to add. If you receive an error message and close out of the window and do not change anything, the course will not be added to your schedule. If you are not sure which classes you need to take for a term, consult your major check sheet and speak with your academic advisor. You are ultimately responsible for keeping track of graduation requirements. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.